Question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. Okay, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has some currency notes of rupees 100 and rupees 10 and rupees 50. Rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5 is given. Then the total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. Then how many notes of each denomination does she have? That means 100 rupees notes, how many notes she is having? Then 50 rupees notes, how many she is having? Then 10 rupees notes, how many she is having? That we have to find here. So we should take, when it is given in the ratio, we should take like the common ratio between the number of notes of different denomination px. Then the number of rupees 100 notes will be 2x. So here first number is given 2, so we should take a 2x. Then the number of rupees 50 notes will be 3x. Okay, second number is 3 is there. So here second value is given 50. So we should take the number of rupees 50 notes will be 3x. Then similarly the number of rupees 10 notes will be 5x. Then amount of rupees 100 notes. 100 notes, what is the amount, total amount that we should find? So rupees 100 into 2x, that is equal to 200x. Then amount of rupees 50 notes, what is the total amount? To find that we should take a 50 into 3x, that is 150x. Then similarly amount of rupees 10 notes, 10 rupees notes, what is the total amount? To find that, here 10 into 5x, that is equal to 50x. Then here total amount is given 4 lakh rupees. So here we should take a 200x plus 150x plus 50x. So this is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Okay. Now add these three values. 200 plus 150 plus 50 become 400x. So this is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Then x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. Denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros you get cancelled. Then 4 ones are, here 4 ones are, then 3 zeros. Therefore x is equal to here 1000. Now we should find the 100 rupees notes. How many are there? How many number of 100 rupees notes? Then 50 rupees notes, how many are there? Then 10 rupees notes, how many are there? So to find this, what we should do here? The number of rupees 100 notes will be 2x. So here we should take a 100 rupees notes. 100 rupees notes, how many are there? To find this, what we should do? 2 into x. So this is equal to 2 into 1000. Because x value we got 1000 here. 2 into 1000 is 2000. That means 100 rupees notes, how many are there? 2000. 2000 notes are there. And similarly, 50 rupees notes, how many are there? Then here 3x. So 3 into x value 1000. Then this is equal to 3000. That means 3000 notes are there. 50 rupees notes, how many are there? 3000 notes. Now similarly 10 rupees notes, how many are there? So here 5x. So 5 into 1000. So this is equal to 5000. So here 10 rupees notes, totally 5000 are there. Question. I have a total of rupees 300 coins of denomination rupee 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. Total here, what is the total amount here? 300 rupees. Total amount is 300 rupees. So all coins are there. Totally, how many coins are there? 160 coins are there totally. Okay, totally 160 coins are there. Now 1 rupee coin, how many are there? Then 2 rupees coin, how many are there? Then 5 rupees coin, how many are there? That we have to find here according to the question. Now here point what is given? The number of rupees 2 coins, rupees 2, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. That means 5 coins, how many are there? We don't know. So here what we should take? Let the number of rupees, let the number of rupees 5 coins, let the number of rupees 5 coins, that means 5 rupees coins be x. Okay, 5 rupees coins, how many are there? We don't know. So what we should take here? X we should take. Now according to the question, the number of rupees 2 coins, here the number of rupees 2 coins is equal to, is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. So into x. Number of rupees 5 coins be x is there. So here we should take 3x. Okay. Then the number of rupees two, not 2, 1. Now 5 over 2 over next 1 coins is equal to. Now totally how many coins are there given? 160 coins. 160 coins. Okay. In 160 coins, we have to subtract 5 rupees coins, number of 5 rupees coins, and number of 3 rupees coins. You will get the here x plus 3x. Number of 5 rupees coins, that x. Number of 2 rupees coins, that is equal to 3x. 5 rupees coins and 3 rupees coins, both you should add and subtract in total number of coins 160. You will get number of rupees 160, number of rupees 1 coins. Number of rupees 1 coins. So here 160 minus x plus 3x, that is equal to 4x. Okay. Now we should find 1 rupee coin, how many are there? 1 rupee coin, how many are there? 2 rupees coin, how many are there? 3 rupees coins, 5 rupees coins, how many are there? This we should find amount of 1 rupee coins, amount of 1 rupee coins, 1 into 160 minus 4x. This is equal to, we will get same this 160 minus 4x. Amount of 1 rupee coins. Next, amount of 2 rupees coins. 2 into 3x. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 6x. Amount of 2 rupees coins, that is equal to 6x rupees. Then amount of 5 rupees coins. 5 into x. This is equal to 5x. Now amount of 1 rupees coins, that what is that amount? 160 minus 4x, then plus amount of 2 rupees coins, that is equal to 6x, then plus amount of 5 rupees coins, 5x. This is equal to, what is the total amount is given? 300 rupees. Now add all this. Now 160 plus 160, only number is there, just you write 160. Then minus 4x plus 6x. So what is the answer? 2x plus 2x. Plus 2x, again 5x, it become plus 7x. Okay, then this is equal to 300. So 160 should take to RHS side. 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. Okay, subtract 300 minus 160. So this is equal to 140. Okay, now 7x is equal to 140. X is equal to 140 divided by 7. 7 ones are 720s are. Okay, x is equal to, we got 20. That means now what we should find here? 1 rupee coins, how many are there? Then 2 rupees coins, how many are there? 3 rupees coins, how many are there? So x is equal to, we got 20. Now number of coins, number of 1 rupee coins, this is equal to 160 minus 4x. So 160 minus 4 into 20, because x value we got 20. So 160 minus 4 into 20, that is 80. So this is equal to 80. 80 coins are there, 1 rupee, 80 coins are there, that means it become 80 rupees. Okay, the next number of coins, number of 2 rupees coins, number of 2 rupees coins. So here 3x, 3x. So 3 into x value we got 20. So 3 2s are 6. 60 coins are there. Okay, so 60 rupees here. 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coins, how many are there? Only 60 we should write. No need to write the rupees. Okay, 60 number. Then number of 5 rupees coins is equal to 5 into, so here x is there. Okay, only we should take a x. So this is equal to, x means here 20. That means 5 rupees 20 coins are there. Then 2 rupees 60 coins are there. So 1 rupees 80 coins are there.